Good morning, student. This is the video lecture for class 8. The chapter is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Before going through the chapter, let us be familiar with the word adolescence. Adolescence comes from the Latin word adolescer, which means to grow to mature, that is, achieving an identity. So, how can you explain adolescence? The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Adolescence begins under the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years. Adolescents are also called teenagers. Puberty. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that the boy and the girls become capable of reproduction. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. What are the changes at the puberty? The changes are increase in height, change in body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. First, increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is the bones of arms and the legs, elongate and makes a person tall. This is a chart for an average rate as the years. Calculation for full height. Present height, percentage of full height at this age into 100. How will get the percentage of full height? Just see this chart. Example, a boy is 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall. At the end of growth period, he is likely to be 120 upon 75 comes from this 9 into 100, that is 160 centimeter tall. Change in body shape. The body shape changes differently in boys and girls. In boys, the shoulder become broader and the chest becomes wider. The muscles of body grow prominently. Girls, the region below the waist becomes wider and the muscles of body do not grow prominently. What can you say about the voice changes in boys and girls? At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. In boys, develop large voice box. Boys have deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visible clearly. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside. Girls have high pitched voice. Adam's apple. The growing voice box can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. You can see in the figure. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. The secretion of sweat and sebaceous gland, that is also called as oil gland, increases. Many young people get ink and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Development of sex organs. In boys, the testes and the penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms. In girls, the ovaries enlarged and eggs begins to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Reaching mental maturity, it is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. Intellectual maturity, the reason the change in a person's way of thinking, the person feels more independent than before and also becomes self-conscious. Emotional maturity, a person may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind. Secondary sexual characters. In boys, they begin to grow facial hair, that is the mustaches and the beard. The hair also begin to grow on the chest, under the arms, and the region above the thighs or the pubical regions. In girls, the breast begin to develop, the hairs begin to grow on the chest, under the arms, in the region above the thighs or the pubical regions. Now, hormones. The change which occurs at adolescence are controlled by chemical substance which are called as hormones. Hormones are secretion from endocrine glands. In boys, the testis begins to release male hormone or testosterone. This causes hair growth. In girls, the ovaries begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen, which make the breast develop milk secreting glands or mammary gland develop inside the breast. The production of this hormone is under the control of another hormone in endocrine gland called pituitary gland. How is the sex of a baby determined, whether it is a boy or a girl? The sex hormone, 2 chromosomes out of 23 pairs of chromosomes are sex chromosomes. These are named as X and Y. Female, they have 2 X chromosomes. Male have 1 X and 1 Y chromosomes. You can see the determination in human. X from 1 and Y from 1 unite together and form a young one. Hormones other than sex hormones. The hormones secreted by the pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to produce their hormones. The pituitary is attached to the brain, and apart from the pituitary, there are other endocrine glands in the body such as thyroid, pancreas, and adrenals. Goiter. The disease of thyroid gland. In this disease, the thyroid gland is not producing the hormone called thyroxine. Diabetes, when the pancreas is not reducing the hormones insulin in sufficient quantities, it is known as diabetes. Adrenal glands. The adrenal glands secrete hormones which maintain the certain correct salt balance in the body. Adrenal also produce the hormone adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust to stress when one is angry, embarrassed, or worried. Growth hormone. Thyroid and adrenal glands secretes their hormones when they receive other orders from pituitary through its hormones. Pituitary also secrete growth hormone which is necessary for normal growth of a person. Remember, there should be a complete nutritional need at the time of adolescence. Adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development. The diet for an adolescent has to be carefully planned. The diet must be the balanced diet. Iron build blood, and iron rich foods such as green leaves, vegetable, jaggery, meat, etc. are good for adolescents. I think this chapter is very much clear to you. For other details, you can go through the book also and the video lecture both. Thank you.